Would you share your experience with Sound Sensations?
Yeah, I mean, it's been great ever since, we booked, through Ed, I guess almost a year ago. I mean, it's been a long time since we've started conversations, and, he's been very helpful. Everyone's been helpful with planning it, with rescheduling when we had to and everything, and, it's been a great night. They've kind of, played everything we needed them to play, which is great. They, kept people on the dance floor, which is great, and just kind of gone with the flow of things, and yeah, it's been awesome.
Awesome, thank you. Thank you so much. Congratulations, you guys.